Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Twin Valley Behavioral Healthcare Project Update channel. Today, we're going to do some quick cuts, go around, and I'm going to show you all of the activities that are going on today. It's essentially a beehive out here, so be prepared, and here we go. So we are swinging steel, and we are laying down some deck, installing exterior wall panels on the exterior of the building, applying fireproofing to the structural steel, raising ductwork, exterior finish masonry, metal wall framing, applying our exterior air and water vapor barrier to the exterior panel system, foundation masonry and under slab utilities for our central utility plant, getting all of the temporary lighting installed, staging materials and getting things ready for roofing, installing the steel joists and deck in the gymnasium, and then finally we have our special intumescent coated topping out steel beam that will be used for the ceremony of topping out the final piece of steel on the project. So as you can see from this quick cut montage of all the activities we have going on out here for this Twin Valley Behavioral Healthcare Hospital Replacement Project. There are a lot of concurrent elements that are trying to all be accomplished at the same time. It's a bit of a ballet out here with the trades having almost 125 laborers out here from all the various trades: mechanical, piping, electrical, security, roofers, general trades, from the framing, exterior and interior, the applications of fireproofing, as well as all of the interior framing systems. So we are moving forward, and I hope to bring you another update here in the not too distant future. Thank you very much, and as always, subscribe so that you get the notice when we post our next update. Thank you very much.